define a start date and an end date on your knowledge template. Okay, so how can we achieve that? First, we'll need to go on the knowledge template page by going first on the knowledge page. And knowledge template by clicking on the knowledge template button. Okay, and we can see that at the bottom of the template, we have two fields, so start date and the deadline. So the start date will define the date after which you can create a knowledge item, and the deadline, of course, it's the end date, so the date after which you will not be able to create any knowledges. So this can be interesting if you want to define a period during which you will collect information, so structured information using the Knowledge Factory, and define, for example, the same thing on your recommendation afterwards. So how can we do that? We just need to pick a date using this date picker. So for example, if I'm choosing for the start date tomorrow, and if I'm now choosing the end date first, let's say on the 12th, I will save it. Okay, and now if I'm going back to the knowledge page and try to create a new knowledge, I can see that it's not possible. Okay, so let's do the opposite. Now the start date, I will pick the 7th, so it should be okay. Save again. Back on the knowledge page. And here I can see that I can create a knowledge item. So back again. If now I change the end date, so the deadline, I will see, for example, on yesterday, back on the knowledge page, I can see that I can't do it anymore as well. Okay, so you will have exactly the same process for the recommendation template.